Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cobra SC400D. Our review of the Cobra SC400D left us smitten. It's pricey, yes, but it delivers the goods with stunning images, 4K for the front, 1080p in the rear, day or night. In addition to that, it has all the trappings of a premium product: a sturdy magnetic mount with integrated GPS, a crisp 3-inch touchscreen display, and Alexa support for finding businesses and the like when you are on the road. It can also be expanded with an optional 120-degree FOV cam for the interior. UHD video, 4K, with Ultra HD 4K resolution, you'll get 4x the pixel resolution of 1080p, so you can see and capture every detail on your drive. Includes rear view accessory camera to see the front and rear of your vehicle, day or night. Alexa built-in. This dash camera comes with Alexa built into its system. From playing music in your car to navigating or finding restaurants, Alexa is ready to help answer any question or request while you're on the road. 3-view capable, includes front-facing SC400D dash cam and a rear-facing accessory camera to provide dual-view capability. Add on an optional cabin view accessory camera to record the road ahead, behind, and inside the vehicle at the same time. Heads-up navigation, drive safer with on-screen notifications to upcoming turns, even if your map is running in the background on your phone. Making the perfect car accessory for ensuring you get to your destination on time. Live police alerts on screen. Get exclusive live police alerts on screen with the Cobra SC400D. Cobra SC Smart Dashcams are the only products that show exclusive live police alerts like radar speed zones, speed camera locations, and more. Number 2. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. Prior to our review of the Cobra SC400D above, the 622 gigawatts front/rear system was our hands-down favorite. And, really, it shares virtually all the same attributes as its rival: nice design and build quality, excellent day and night captures, drive mapping, a wonderful 3-inch display, emergency response to accidents, Alexa support, and the ability to add a third camera for interior views. Like the 400D, it carries a premium price tag. But in the end, you can't go wrong with either model. 4K recording, the 622 gigawatts records in top-of-the-range 4K quality. When trying to make out finer details or capturing that all-important number plate, 4K recording quality is as good as it gets in a dashcam. While your dashcam records at 4K, your rear camera module can record at an impressive 1080p, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. Image stabilization. The 622 gigawatts dashcam features a new image stabilization system which greatly diminishes the effect vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. This means when you play back 622 gigawatts footage, it will be very steady, and finer details, such as number plates, have never been easier to make out. 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The 622 gigawatts dashcam has dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the latter of which has never before been featured in a dashcam. What does this mean for you? You will have the fastest transfer speeds possible, allowing you to download footage from your 622 gigawatts onto your phone quicker than ever. Number 3. The OFO A229 Plus. A dashcam is all about monitoring and recording your surroundings, and for that it's hard to beat a 3-channel system. Combining front view, interior view, and rear view, a 3-channel dashcam makes sure nothing is missed. The OFO A229 Plus is our pick for best 3-channel system due to strong 1440p front and rear captures, 1080p interior captures, and a whole host of great additional features. Not only do the front and rear view cameras offer solid resolutions, but the interior cam is discreet and all are easy to install. The OFO A229 Plus also comes with an onboard mic for recording audio or receiving voice commands, an extremely convenient feature while driving. The A229 comes with GPS tagging, motion detection, and a parking mode as well. Needless to say, it's chock full of amenities and features. A 3-channel dashcam might not be for everyone, but if you need one, the OFO A229 should be at the top of your list. 3-channel dashcam capture every detail with precision and exceptional video quality using the A229 Plus dashcam. With 2K plus 1080p front interior and rear recording, it provides comprehensive coverage and accurate color representation. Perfect for ride-sharing taxi drivers who prioritize safety and security, the A229 Plus offers clear and detailed footage of the road ahead and interior of your vehicle. Get the ultimate solution for comprehensive protection with the A229 Plus 3CH. Dual-channel Sony Starvis 2 sensors. The A229 Plus is the first front and rear dashcam to feature two Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 image sensors. This advanced technology offers 2.5 times dynamic range and 2.5 times light sensitivity compared to Starvis, resulting in reduced noise and motion blur during night recording. The A229 Plus provides the ultimate solution for capturing clear and detailed footage, making it a revolutionary addition to any driver's safety toolkit. HDR supported for all three channels. The A229 Plus 3-channel dash camera sets the industry standard for dashcams with its advanced 3-channel HDR technology. With significantly improved exposure level balance, this dash camera is the best solution for capturing clear and detailed footage from the front, inside, and rear, regardless of day or night conditions. Its exceptional ability to capture car license details makes it stand out. Number 4. Maya 5 4K. Prior to our review of the Maya 5 4K, we would have tapped the Car and Driver i2 Pro as the best front-only dashcam with 4K, a fine product in its own right. But the Maya 5 costs $100 less, and offers integrated GPS as well as great video captures, 64 GB of internal storage, a compact design, friendly voice notifications, and a super straightforward setup. So not only is this our favorite front dashcam with 4K, it's our favorite front cam overall. Drive smarter when you bring along the Maya 5 dash camera for cars. Ultra-high-definition imagery, G-sensor and motion detection make this car dash cam the ultimate witness to accidents and vandalism. 4K dash cam for truckers and sedans captures 4x more detail than other car video camera kits. With night vision for low-light environs, our car camera records scenic drives and accidents in 2160p UHD. 5G Wi-Fi supported driving recorder camera for car lets you transfer footage easily to your phone or tablet with the Maya 5 app. GPS tracking and G-sensor saves segments with speed and location data. Intelligent AI algorithm in the Maya 5 dashcam monitors road conditions. Go Assist alerts you to sudden turns, braking and accelerations and signals you to proceed when the car ahead of you moves. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam 57. This small but mighty front dashcam has it all: great 1440p video with a 140-degree field of view, integrated GPS and driving assistance, good phone connectivity, an easy and convenient magnetic mounting system, and the backing of Garmin's good name. Pocket-sized dash camera goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield, automatically records and saves video of incidents with GPS location, date and time. Wide 140-degree lens records 1440p HD video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. Voice control, only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish, lets you use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected, requires Wi-Fi connection, access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone.